And the race is on. Forest all down on the inside. And moving up is Winking Eye on the further outside. Is step on the gas, Madam Leonora, Rival Guts. And running down on the inside, Sharp Cookie, Freedom Charger. While a favorite Cat May is the early trailer by about 7 or 8 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Winking Eye. By a length and a half, followed by Forest all down on the inside. Madam Leonora is running in third by Sound to lengths. Rival Gods is step on the gas, racing from the outside, and Sharp Cookie. And during the far turn, Winking Eye by Sound to lengths. Forest all is running in second. River Gods is moving up by Darrell. Madam Leonora is step on the gas. Sharp Cookie, Cat May, and Freedom Charger. As they race the final corner, Winking Eye, River Gods moving up in the middle. Forest all down on the inside. A step on the gas. It's now River God this time by some 2 lengths, followed by Winking Eye. And running down on the inside, Forest all step on the gas, and Cat May. And nearing the finish lines, Rival Gods, Cat May's on the outside, but it's too little, too late. And finally, River Gods, Cat May, step on the gas, Winking Eye, Madam Leonora.
Step on the gas.